Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at our next car, the 435D Sport X-Drive Coupe. Vehicle is presented in Glacier Silver, benefits from the in-house enhancement kit alongside some very nice options and features. If you would like to know more about the car, please don't forget to click the links that are there in the description box. A couple of key exterior features are the brand new alloys with 4 brand new tyres. This car has also got a fully colour-coded exterior styling pack which looks really well on this Glacier Silver Coupe 4 Series. Alongside that, it has got the M Sport Plus pack, so you've got your Plus brakes, your privacy glass and your Harman Kardon audio there. Round at the back, as I mentioned, colour-coded kit, so you've also got the body colour rear spoiler. It's got the 440i exhaust conversion with the matching diffuser there. Just the stock exhaust size, nothing too over the top for this car. It's a really well looking vehicle. As you can see, it also has got reverse camera with both front and rear sensors. Not only is this a superbly powerful car, it is also a practical one with a good sized boot as well as folding rear seats. It also has, of course, got your X-Drive 4-wheel drive, so it can happily put all of that power onto the road. Inside, it has got the lovely black leather. Front seats are both heated and are both electrically operated with memory controls for the driver's side. It has also got the extended leather dash option. So you've got the top section, and which sweeps all the way down into here, as you can see, which is actually quite a rare option to see on a 4 Series Coupe, but one that is well worth having. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray. You've got the gloss black interior trims. You've got your Harman Kardon in there as well. Let's show you around onto the driver's side where we'll go through, take a seat, and I'll show you some more of the interior functions and features. You've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. As you'll hear, that exhaust conversion has made little to no difference for the sound or performance, but nonetheless a nice feature to have. It's covered just over 97,000, 97494. It has got a head-up display, as you can see there, professional wide nav, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio alongside front CD, music collection, USB, AUX and Bluetooth line-in. It's not due a service for 14,000 miles. It has got full service history, as you can see there on the iDrive. There's your reversing camera with parking sensors. It's a really well looked after, nicely equipped 435D. If you want to know more about this car, please do use the links available. Thank you, take care, bye bye.